Is it? When things are clean, it looks nice, doesn't it, Lewis?
Yeah. Clean invites a clean atmosphere. It makes people think it's clean. It makes people say, oh,
Welcome to the Scrappers, where metal meets mission. Right here in the heart of Bolton, behind every bonnet and bumper is a second chance. Not just for cars, but for the young people working on them.
Hi everyone, it's Sam
and Lewis.
and Lewis on the Boss Your Future Bolton programme here on the Town Hall, the famous Bolton Town Hall. It's a beautiful, beautiful building, that, Lewis, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've just had some lunch. I've just had some fish and chips from Olympus. It must be one of the best chippies in this town. Lewis has had some wedges. Enjoyed our lunch. We've had a great session today, but we've just been talking about the opportunities in front of us, and we've just been watching here how, you know, they're pressure washing the streets, Lewis. This is something you could quite easily do, isn't it?
All you need really is something that has a bed, like a van, a truck, even a pickup truck can hold a decent amount of water on it. And then all you need, just visit your local hardware store, you'll find all the tools that he's got there.
Yeah, and there's probably businesses out there who could get involved and support us in kitting something out like that, isn't it? Pressure washing. There's lots of pressure washing need doing. Give me some examples.
I mean, you just look around the town. I mean, Bolton is built on stone, not brick. I mean, the floor we're standing on, the town hall itself, all that could use any form of washing, pressure washing especially.
And it is all about keeping things clean, isn't it? When things are clean, it looks nice, doesn't it, Lewis?
Yeah. Clean invites a clean atmosphere. It makes people think it's clean. It makes people say, oh, I want to go there, I want to go to these businesses because they clearly care about themselves.
That's what it's about. So what we're doing, what we are launching with the Scrappers, we're looking forward to that, aren't we, Lewis?
Yeah.
What are we launching at the Scrappers?
It's We Shine Any Car. It's going to be washing cars. It's going to be valeting cars. We sell tyres as well. You can even get cheesecake. I mean, come on.
Yeah, come on. We've got some fantastic stuff happening here in the heart of Bolton. What a beautiful town it is. And we're really excited. So they can come and join us for our pre-launch event on Thursday.
The 18th of September.
The 18th of September between 10 and 4 o'clock. Get yourself down. We're not just cleaning cars.
We're changing lives.
We're changing lives. We absolutely are. So get yourself down to the Scrappers. Waterloo Street, right in the heart of Bolton. Get yourselves down. So it's bye from me.
And it's bye from me.
Ciao for now.
We shine any car, a shine that changes lives.